Bluetooth speaker which is not working, it's not functioning properly. Let's on it and see. As you can see, the light is blinking, that means it's on, but we can't hear any sound. Probably there might be a fault in it. Maybe it's the speaker itself, we don't know. Let's open it and see how the things are in it. First, the down here there is a thin tape covering the screws. You have to remove it gently. Okay, so you can see the screws. I've removed them already. I just want to show you. So you remove them, boom, remove the back cap. Continue, remove the cloth, the black cloth. You remove it. So you can see there are screw holes over here that hold the compartments together. You need to unscrew all of them. Off these screws too. You take your time with the cloth, remove them, or remove the top here, put something under it to remove the top entirely. So this is the top. Now you can open your LPG. You can see this glue over here to remove the cables. You can see the connector over here. That's the speaker connector. You remove it. This is the battery connector. Remove that one too as well. And this is the antenna. Remove that one too as well. And this is your main board. So this is your speaker and this is your battery. Now this is the speaker, and let's check whether the speaker is working or not. You remove this net over here, the rubber net over here. You remove it. This is the speaker. You remove all the screws, then you can lift it up to remove your speaker. Let's use our multimeter to check cut. Okay, so you put your meter at continuity. You can see, check. It's reading alright. So it's not a speaker. Let's check. Let's fix the speaker back. Check why our sound is not coming and why our sound is not coming. This is a battery. This is a battery. This is a speaker. This is the speaker.